Welcome everyone. Today we are going to be doing an overview of using paid versus free test case management tools. Let's get started. Free tools. Using Google Sheets for test management is a cost-effective, accessible, and collaborative way to organize, track, and manage software testing activities. While it lacks some of the automation and integration features of specialized test management tools like TestRail or Zephyr, Google Sheets can still be a powerful tool for small to medium testing projects or teams with limited resources. Paid tools. Using test management tools like TestRail or Zephyr offers advanced capabilities and integrations for structured testing processes, but they also come with several disadvantages, especially depending on the context. Here's an overview of their main limitations. Limitation number 1, cost and licensing. Subscription fees can be high, especially for small teams or startups. Some tools charge per user, making scaling expensive. Enterprise features may require premium tiers. Limitation number 2, learning curve and onboarding. Tools like TestRail and Zephyr can have complex user interfaces and steep learning curves. Teams need training and ramp-up time, which can delay productivity. Non-technical stakeholders may struggle with navigating the system. Limitation number 3, customization limitations. While they offer flexibility, customizations are often limited to what the UI allows. Advanced custom workflows or fields may require plugin development or scripting. You may be locked into a specific way of working, reducing adaptability. Limitation number 4, integration complexity. Although both support integrations with Jira, CI/CD tools, etc., these may require technical setup. Sometimes are not seamless or lack real-time sync. Might involve additional cost or third-party plugins. Limitation number 5, performance issues. On larger projects with many test cases or users, performance may degrade. Slow loading time for large test suites. Sluggish UI during peak usage or in browser-based versions. Limitation number 6, data portability and lock-in. Exporting or migrating data to another system can be complex. Limited support for standard data formats for easy transfer. Risk of vendor lock-in if your team becomes too dependent on specific tool features. Limitation number 7, overhead for small teams. Many features may be overkill for simple testing needs. Managing test cycles, plans, and automation integration might require dedicated roles or QA managers. Limitation number 8, cloud versus on-premise concerns. Some companies prefer on-premise tools due to data privacy or security concerns. On-premise versions often require IT infrastructure and maintenance overhead. When to rethink using tools like TestRail and Zephyr. Scenario number 1, you're a small, agile team needing lightweight, flexible tools. Scenario number 2, you require deep customization without vendor constraints. Scenario number 3, budget constraints make subscription tools prohibitive. Scenario number 4, your organization values simple, low-maintenance tools. Let's discuss some of the pros and cons of managing test cases in Google Sheets. Let's get started. Advantage number 1, free and accessible. Google Sheets is free with a Google account, making it budget-friendly and widely accessible. Advantage number 2, real-time collaboration. Multiple users can edit and view the document simultaneously with live updates. Advantage number 3, cloud-based. Accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, and changes are saved automatically. Advantage number 4, version history. Built-in version control lets you track who made what changes and revert to earlier versions if needed. Advantage number 5, easy sharing. Simple sharing options with configurable permissions via links or email. Advantage number 6, customizable. Flexible to create any test case format with conditional formatting, drop-downs, filters, and formulas. Advantage number 7, basic automation via AppScript. You can use Google AppScript to add some automation. Advantage number 8, lightweight setup. No installation or complex configuration. Just open a browser and get started.
Now let's discuss some of the cons of managing test cases in Google Sheets. Disadvantage number 1, limited test management features. No native support for test case linking, test runs, requirement mapping, or defect tracking. Disadvantage number 2, manual effort. Test execution status, test cycles, and reporting must be manually maintained. Disadvantage number 3, scalability issues. Becomes cumbersome to manage very large or complex test suites. Disadvantage number 4, no native integration with DevTools. Doesn't directly integrate with Jira, Git, or test automation frameworks without custom scripts or third-party tools. Disadvantage number 5, data integrity risks. Users can accidentally overwrite or delete data unless permissions are tightly managed. Disadvantage number 6, performance lag. With large datasets or many collaborators, performance can become sluggish. Disadvantage number 7, limited offline access. While you can enable offline mode, it's not as seamless or reliable as a desktop spreadsheet tool. Disadvantage number 8, no role-based access control. Permissions are at the file level, no granular access control over specific test cases or sheets. Here are some tips for effective use. Tip number 1, use data validation. Create drop-downs for fields like status, priority, severity. Tip number 2, conditional formatting. Color code pass fail statuses for at-a-glance understanding. Tip number 3, filters and pivot tables. Quickly generate summaries or charts for reporting. Tip number 4, Google Forms integration. Collect test execution feedback from testers. Tip number 5, versioning. Use version history to track changes and roll back if needed. Tip number 6, linking sheets. Reference data between sheets for better modular design. Tip number 7, App Script Automation. Automate sending notifications, updating statuses, or generating reports. Thank you, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on our next episode, where we will be creating the framework for our testing tools. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.